ज्या जाग्यार काँग्रेसचें प्रेझेन्स स्ट्रॉंग आसा, ज्या जाग्यार पक्षाक दिसता की त्या मागीर 25 सीट जाय, 30 सीट जाय, 35 सीट जाय, आनी ज्या जाग्यार काँग्रेसचें तितल्या मोठ्या प्रमाणात अस्तित्व ना किंवा थंय काँग्रेसचो कॅन्डिडेट जिखपाक डिफिकल्ट आसा, त्या जाग्याचेर वी कॅन हॅव सम अंडरस्टँडींग विथ समबडी.
So that means, independent MLA.
We will see that we will see at that time. First
So that means that in majority constituencies you are going on party.
Party lines,
See,
correct.
President had already said at that time also that we'll try to concentrate on 40, around 35 to 40 constituencies. So same principle we are applying. It may come vary between 30 to 40 or 30 to 40, 35 to 50, whatever it is. That we will see.
तो एक निर्णय सामको ठामपणे म्हणजे चार जे आसा आमचे ब्लॉक प्रेसिडेंट्स पार्टी ऑफिस बेलर ते इतले अपबीट आसा ते म्हणल्यार लोकां भितर इतले प्रचंड राग आसा. मायनिंगाचो इशू, CAAचो इशू, म्हारगायेचो इशू, फायनान्साचो इशू, ह्या हेजेर सगळे कडेन लोक सांगतात की आमकां BJP हरोवपाक जाय. सो आयज एक आमचो जो आमी द टेक फॉर अस टुडे that the anger against the BJP government and our cadre is charged and they want to defeat BJP with the help of the people. So this is the take for today.
What is their take? Whether they want it on party lines or not? What they have said?
See, we as our CLP leader has already said that our decision will be in consensus.